Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you know, my name is Asari Mahato and I am visiting some places and I have come at Gopiganj. Here you can see this is the road and I am going to see the Shiva temple. Here is the temple, that is Shiva temple, and I am going there to see. Yes, and you can see the road is very what to say, good. I don't know how to express it. So just I am saying bikes are running very fast and I am singing also very well. Let's see. My English is not so good, but I am trying my level best to speak to make this vlog well. You can see I don't like it at all, really. People throw garbage here and there and they don't clean. Prashasan doesn't clean. I don't like it. So we should keep clean our places because harmful places are not good because it spreads virus, bacteria, and it causes many disease. So that is why we should keep clean our area, our city, our village, everywhere. We should not throw garbage here and there. But people throw garbage here and there. So I can see paddy fields. Some women are planting paddy there. Even my parents are planting paddy in my village. But I have come here to visit many places. It is not good. I can see some cows here. They are grazing. They are eating grass. And sometimes they eat the trash also, like they eat plastic, like one person eat something, okay, and throw that plastic. After that, one cow eats and it face problem later, okay. So we should not throw garbage here and there. I reached here. This is the temple, I think. And it is a Shiva temple. Which temple is this? I don't know which temple is that. What are you doing, Babu? Look, he will carry the buckets, water buckets. And this temple is Baba Pahalwan Bir Baba Prachin Mandir, Jhilia Pool, Gopiganj. So if you want to see it, you can come here and you can worship. And I want to go to the Shiva temple. भाई शिवा टेम्पल किधर है? शिव का शिव मंदिर हाँ उधर है। सीधा जाएंगे?
सीधा जाके इधर के गली रोकोगे तो इधर ही मुड़ जाना।
यस। एंड ये कौन सा मंदिर है?
पहलवान वीर बाबा।
पहलवान वीर बाबा, ओके। ये पहलवान वीर बाबा का मंदिर है एंड आई एम गोइंग टू सी द शिव टेम्पल। ये कितना दूर होगा?
ये थोड़ा दूर है। तो चलोगे तो इधर के घूमना होगा।
इधर चलोगे? इधर घूमना होगा? इधर लेफ्ट लेफ्ट, हाँ इधर घूमना होगा ना? सीधा जाएंगे?
इसके आगे वाला मोड़ है
हाँ,
तो इधर ही का फिर घूम जाना।
थैंक यू ब्रदर। सो इतना बाल्टी से पानी कहाँ ले जा रहे हो? अपने घर पे ले पाओगे सब? गुड। व्हाट्स योर नेम? आपका नाम क्या?
काशी।
पढ़ाई करते हो? गुड। ठीक, कौन क्लास में पढ़ाई करते हो? हाँ 3 क्लास में। आई वांट टू गिव यू समथिंग, डू यू वांट टू टेक? मैं इसको पेन दे रहा हूँ, टेक इट। सो बिकॉज यू टोल्ड मी द प्लेस, ओके, हाउ टू गो, सो दैट इज वाई आई गिफ्टेड इट। एंड यू आर वेरी हार्ड वर्किंग पर्सन, you are helping your parents, you are carrying buckets, okay, and it is very good. Help your parents, good boy. So I gave the pen to that boy because I had some pens, so that is why I thought to give one pen to him. And even I have some pens, I will show you, okay, how much pen I have. Okay, I have 3 pens. I had 4 pens and I gave just 1 pen, okay. So friends, now I am going there to see the temple, okay. I don't know how much good at study is he? मतलब पढ़ाई में कितना तेज है वो मुझे मालूम नहीं वो, बट लड़का अच्छा लगा मुझे, इसलिए आई gave the pen to him and I can see what is going on here. So now I am going there and I will show you everything. Whatever I will see in front of me, I will show you, I will describe you, okay? And you can see cars, vehicles are going very fast, they are running very fast, and we should drive our bike, our cars very carefully. We should ride our bikes very carefully, otherwise we can meet accident. It is not good. So sometimes I am speaking a lot, I am speaking a little bit wrong. You can see, how are you? So I am going there. I am a little bit afraid because if someone scolds me, what will I do? I can't do anything because I am alone here and I don't know very well this place. So that is why sometimes I afraid to make video here and there. But it is my work. I have to practice English. I have to practice English. I have to show and I have to see the surroundings. So that is why I am watching all the things. And you can see the bridge. I don't know how far is it, the temple. I am just walking. But I don't know how far is it. Let's see, because I want to visit and I love to visit. And that is why I am going and I am free now. I am feeling very confident now. Yes, I wasn't feeling confident so much with them. I don't know why. Even I wasn't talking very well. I was very upset, I think. I wasn't feeling well. I was feeling like tired. But now I am feeling very confident. You can see I am very confident now. And I am becoming more confident. Yes. So, friends, if you want to practice English, in this way you can practice every day and you can improve your fluency. Okay? So, I can see here some boys. What are they doing? I don't know. But whatever I will see, I will try to describe. What is this? Which machine is this? Gadi check. Okay, tire checking. I don't know very well, but no problem. I will improve my fluency and I have committed I will be much fluent in this language before 2027 and I want to speak flawless English without taking a pause. Yes, so friends, if you want to practice English, if you want to speak English, just speak, just practice. Okay, don't wait for perfect time. Okay, because perfect time never comes. Okay, you can see one auto, one woman and her children. How to say it? I don't know. Okay, no problem. Let it, leave it. I can see, what is that? What is that? National Health Mission. Maybe it is an ambulance. Is it an ambulance? Maybe. Yes. It is an ambulance. Okay. So you can see the overbridge. Jivan Darpan Nursing Home. It is a medical shop, I think. So you can see here. What is it? They are checking the tire. Maybe. I don't know very well. When someone looks at me, I feel very nervous. When I say about them and when they look at me, I feel very afraid sometimes. I thought, even I think, what will he say? Okay? And look it! Oh my God! It is looking very beautiful, this vehicle. Okay, nice looking car. This car is looking very well. It is not a car, but you can see the condition of that car. It is very old car. It is a very old car, but you can see the, I don't know what to say this plant's name. I don't know what to say in English. Even I don't know what to say in Hindi and Bengali. But it is looking well. You can say the design. Oh my God. Oh my God. It looks amazing, nice, beautiful. Beautiful scene. And okay, no problem. So friends, this is called Gopiganj Market. Okay, and I am going to the market. I am entering there, and I don't know where is the temple, Shiva temple. So I will ask those boys. Okay, I will pause here a little bit, then I will continue. Okay, I will continue for making this video. Okay, no problem. So friends, I asked those boys and they are saying the temple is there. Okay, it is very near. So I am going. Okay, so you can see two boys. So I am coming from West Bengal and it is belong to AP. So I have to be careful here because this place is not so like peaceful, I think. You can see the trash, garbages people throw here. So we made this place dirty. People are making this place dirty. We should not throw place here and there. And what will they do, the shopkeepers? Because they use these plates, all the things, and our processions are not taking care of this. Okay, because they allow it maybe, or they don't want to carry it. Okay, so they don't bother about this thing. Okay, so friends, if you are an educated person, you have to bother, because we are the only one who think about the nature. Okay, the place, there is a one road and I am going there, but I don't know how far is it. No problem, I will find it very soon. I will find it very soon, no problem. What are they doing? They are plastering the wall. He is drinking water. The dog is also drinking water. Puppy, the puppy is drinking water. Good. The bike is coming, one person is coming by bike. So sometimes I am speaking very slowly, softly, but no problem. Now I will speak very confidently because I am alone here in this place. No one is here. I can't find any person here. I am not seeing any person here, so I am speaking very loudly, but I can see one woman there. She is standing. No problem. Okay. Okay friends, I asked this lady how far is the Shiva temple, but she told me I don't know. I didn't record her because I don't want to capture her very well. Okay, so friends, I think I am very near it. Okay, but I am confused. Maybe those boys told me wrong path, but no problem, I will find it somehow. Okay, anyway. So you can see the car, the boy is coming, taking a packet of kurkuri. So there are some buildings. Buildings are very new, I think. Nice buildings. You can see, I am showing you properly. The person is riding his bicycle. There are some shops. Maybe it is a toy shops. I think electricity went out. So there are some shops here. Oh, I find this temple here. This is the temple, Baba Bade Shiv Dham Seva Samiti. So I will enter this temple and I will see. Okay. So friends, I don't know camera is allowed or not, mobile is allowed or not here. So I am just making video. I think one old person is coming. Maybe he is a saint. No. He can't be a saint. He is an old person. So I will go to see. Now I am entering, but I want to show it very properly. And that is the shop. You can take here puja samagri, full, flowers, all the things. So there are someone's pictures. I don't know who all are they. So I don't know, it is a park, and the park is very beautiful here. So I can see one water bottle. People drink water and they throw the bottle. I can see there are some bottles here. They throw the bottles here and there. It is not a good thing, okay, for us, for our society, for our nature. We should not throw any plastic things here and there, because why? Plastic is not good for our soil, our nature. Okay, So there are some trees here. I think these are all wood apple trees. Wood apple. Okay. And there are some another trees. Which tree is this? It is a very big tree, but it is looking very dark now in this time, so maybe you can't see properly, but please watch my video till the end, so I'll show you everything. Okay, everything means everything. Okay, some girls are washing the dishes here, and two men are talking each other. Friends, I am speaking now very softly, slowly, because I don't want to shout here, because it is a temple. Okay, and I don't want to shout here. I can see there are some persons are sitting, and I can see one boy is sitting here. Oh my god, it is looking very beautiful. The pond is looking very beautiful. I can see flowers, plants in this pond. So friends, you can see the pond behind me. I think it is a flower pond. Okay, flower pond. I am giving the name of this pond flower pond. Sorry, lotus pond. Lotus. Okay, these are lotus plants. So this is a temple. I am showing you everything. Just keep watching. I can see one dog. One lady is coming here. So I can see one bull. Actually, it is made by man. Okay, it is not true. So you can see the pictures. I can't zoom. Okay, but no problem. They are praying for something, maybe. I can see one boy is watching his mobile. Maybe he is a student. So friends, now I will enter and I will show you everything. Okay, just keep watching. And from where I will enter, I am searching the path. I can see one old person, and I can see one child. That girl is going there to wash her dishes. Many children come here with their parents. They enjoy this place, and I should have come here before, because it is evening time, and everything is looking dark. Okay, so maybe you can't see properly because light is not available here, I think. So that is why you can see everywhere dark. Okay, but no problem, I'll go to the temple. I will watch. I think mobile is not allowed there. Okay, but from where I will enter, I can't see the path. From where I will enter, they are not saying anything to me. Why? Mobile is allowed here, I think. So that is why they are not talking anything. They are not saying anything to me. I will remove my slippers. I will take off my slippers. I took off my slippers. I took off my slippers, and now I am entering. So I am entering now, and I will show you everything. Just keep watching. I will not speak here. So friends, I am making video very carefully. If they say anything, if they scold me, what will I do then? So that is why I didn't want to say anything in front of them. Now I am speaking because I am far away from them. Okay, now I am going there, and I will not speak anything. Just see, just watch. Maharaj Nandi ji. So friends, it is not a good job to make a video in a temple. Okay, yes, I have come here for making a video, but many people don't have any bhakti. Okay, even I have a little bhakti. I don't have so much bhakti. I believe in God, but friends, forgive me. I am making video only for my English improvement, and I want to show you. Okay, no problem. So it is a Shiva temple. What is she doing? She is worshipping. It is written there something. There are many bells. You can ring the bells. There are many fans also. Electricity went out. If the electricity comes, so everywhere you can see light, okay, bright. And I love trees so much. I love trees so much. I love nature so much. And you can see there are some trees, many trees, and it is a very old tree. Friends, you can't see properly because it is evening time, so that is why you can't see properly, but please watch my video till the end. Friends, I am speaking, many people will think I am talking with someone. So in this way I am making video because maybe they will think something about me, okay, maybe they will think he is making a video. But if I make video in this way, so they will think he is talking someone in this way, because this is my technique to make a video, okay. So no one can understand, but someone can understand. Then they say, don't make video here, okay, stop making video. So you can see now the electricity came, and you can see the light, brightness, the fans are spinning, moving. Oh god. So friends, how is it now? It is looking nice now, okay. I am sweating really here. I am not shouting because it is a temple, that is why I am not shouting so much. I am not speaking loudly. You got it? Yes. So two boys are coming here, and what are they doing there? I can see two boys. Friends, I wanted to go, but I will not go there because it will take time, and I want to go back because this is not my place. I have come here for visiting purpose to meet someone, and I have met her, okay. She is a girl, she is my didi, she is my inspiration also. I have learned many things from her, so that's why I thought let's meet her. So I have come here only for visiting purpose. I visited many places and I decided let's meet with her. So I came this place only for meeting her. Now I will leave this place. I will leave this place tomorrow, okay, because I don't want to stay in one place for a long time, okay. It is not a good thing. Jai Parsuram. Go down. So friends, it is a Parsuram temple, and this is the Shiva temple. I will show you, but I am showing you the back side. It is a dog. What are you doing here? Ram, Ram, Ram. Sita, Ram. What are they doing? What is this? Maybe Havan Kund, Agni Kund, Jagga Kund. Maybe. Yes, I am right, I think. That lady is worshipping. No one is saying to me anything. Where is the bell? Friends, now I went out because I was getting afraid. If they will catch me, what will I do that time? I don't know. I am speaking a little bit wrong, no problem, but you have to manage because I am practicing here. Maybe I am not fully perfect, but you have to manage it. Now I am little bit confused. They are taking bananas and he threw it. It is not a good thing. After eating the peel, after eating the banana, he threw the peel. Here is a dustbin. It is written here use me, but they will not use it. They will throw the garbage here and there. So that person is coming by his scooty. He went there. So friends, it is written Baba Bade Shiv Dham Seva Samiti Gopiganj भदोडी आप सभी भक्तों का हार्दिक स्वागत एवं अभिनंदन करती है. एंड अपर साइड इट इज रिटन देयर श्री बाबा बड़े शिव मंदिर गंगा क्या लिखा है, आई कांट रीड प्रॉपर्ली, नो प्रॉब्लम. So friends, it is written there something also. You can read very fast. Read it. Now I am moving my camera. Friends, I am speaking here very slowly because maybe they will say to me, don't make a video here. So that is why. Friends, now I am going and I will speak loudly. Okay, no problem. So now no one can stop me to speak English because now I am confident. Yes guys, now I am confident, even not fully confident. Now I will be confident. Friends, now I am confident. Now I am going back there, my place, my destiny, where I will stay. One bike is coming. Who is coming? Oh, he is riding bike very fast. So friend, don't ride bike very fast. In this path you can ride because here is no one, but in a traffic place like highway, truck, don't ride bike very fast. Friends, now I am very confident. That lady told me, I don't know where is the temple. He is living here. Maybe it is not her house. That is why she didn't tell me. She didn't know it. No problem. Friends, it became dark and I see the Shiva temple and now I am going. So friends, it is enough today. Hope we will meet in next video. Okay, bye bye, take care.